Hi everyone, it's Brigitte. I just wanted to share with you the swap that I was in with Rashidah, who is mmdo112800. We had an altered notebook swap with some of the girls, and she had told me that she was going to send me some extra little stuff, which clearly she did. But Rashidah, you really didn't have to, and I just want to thank you. And thank you to everybody who participated. So just want to show, oh, oops, okay. So I got one of these, which is great. I have one that's like flexible, one that like you put your finger in, but then it goes around in a circle or like a square, you know, if you need that. And I don't really find that all that comfortable. I like this one better. So I don't know, Rashidah, did you send this to me or did one of the girls? But thank you, that's great. I love these. And this one is, I think this is Rashidah's because I commented on her coloring. And this is so cute because she put a little bookmark with it. And the tie, this is so cute. Oh my God, I love the paper, the coloring. Look at how good she did on the coloring. So sweet, Rashidah, thank you. And she added cards, an extra little notebook. And that bookmark, it was such a great idea. So thank you for giving me an idea for next time. And this is from, let's see, I think this is Florida Crafter Cassie. Is this you? Yeah, this is definitely you. She sent along a faith stamp, a little pen with our initials on it, with our initials on the notebook. And she added little things like, this is like the smash tape, I guess. Oop, sorry, excuse me, guys. And I think, oh, there's one more here. Fab, which with the cute little heart, and needed. This is great, thank you. That's a cute little smash book in itself. Oh, this is the stamp that I was looking for. Rashidah, thank you so much. I know that you sent me this. Thank you so much. I love it. You guys have to check out her cards that she made with these stamps a few videos back. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Rashidah. And I got stickers. I think this is also from Cassie, if I'm not mistaken. So it says, I love you, always, love, with the fleur-de-lis. You know how much I love Paris. Thank you. I'm going to be like, I went to Paris when I was younger with my parents. Young enough, I mean, to remember, yes, but young enough to know that I want to go back, you know, now would be great with my husband. But, let's see, made by Cindy, Natural Locks 77. And I will put everybody's information in the description box. So that's this. This is so pretty. I almost thought that was fabric. The bling. That's the back. Cute little appliques. And just plain like that. This is so cute. Thank you. I think this is the pen that goes with it, if I'm not mistaken, because it kind of matches the green and pink. So I love the pen. Thank you so much. And these beautiful, beautiful trims. Or I should say, oh yeah, trim. And this one, so pretty in like this, I guess it's like a pale aqua. And the baubles that go with it. Oh, these are so pretty. In fact, I think I have a use for those. in my Secret Squirrel cigar box swap. I think that would be perfect colors. And then Rashida sent me something. We've been going back and forth, and I have something to send her, but she kept telling me that she had gifts for me, which you didn't have to, Rashida, but you know, you're such a sweet, sweet friend. She got me this mini clipboard, which I'm so going to alter, or I'm going to try something with this. So cute. Thank you. And cute. Oh, these are so cute. I never saw these. So cute. Look at the little birdie. And these are just envelope seals. And oh, this is so cute. This is the new one, isn't it? Or the newer one. Oh, that's so cute. Happy New Year. Your cause for celebration. Good times, good friends. Oh, this is so sweet. You can even use this for a birthday. Oh, thank you, Rashida. You didn't have to. Oh, this is so cute. This is the MFT collection, the Pure Innocence. For those of you guys who don't know, my favorite things, excuse me, mft.com or my favorite things stamps.com. I always get the .com wrong, but anyway, these are the Pure Innocence stamps. Oh, this is not MFT, but for those of you guys who know, this is Some Odd Girl, which she's adorable. Friends, family of the season. Thank you so much, Rashida, and I love that she has short hair, so I can kind of practice the short hair thing before, you know, really getting the long hair perfect, which I have a hard time with. But and of course she sent me these, which I did not have. Rashida, you went crazy. Thank you. That's so nice of you. Thank you. Happy holidays, peace and love. I just love the different fonts. And it's always great to have sayings, lots of different sayings and sentiments. So I really appreciate that. Thank you. And look at her gorgeous card. Oh my gosh, you have a knack for color, Rashida. And these are gorgeous, purple, green, red, and gold. Reminds me of New Orleans and Christmas all at the same time. So, thank you so much. This is, and I love the inside too. Thank you. This is gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited to have this card. And she sent me a cute little notebook, which can never have enough notebooks. So thank you. Ladies, thank you so much for all your talent, sharing your creations with us. And Rashida, big thumbs up. I love you. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. Thanks for all your support, and see you soon. Bye.